हाय ऑल, कैसे हो सब लोग? One good news I want to share in this is very fast. So nowadays, it seems like has been delivering their books to their students who are applying. So I have received my books. The two books which were left out and through a speed post. So I'm gonna share how it looks like and how I'm gonna unboxing the or unpackaging the this book. These ये दो सब्जेक्ट्स के बुक हैं which is leftover, which is paper for I would say paper. This is paper yours. Let's unpack this. It looks like this, but might be while coming from Calcutta center, it would be it has been torn from somewhere, but nothing has been damaged that much. But all books looks very good, and this is my books which I have received it are new latest edition. ये दोनों latest edition की books हैं. See, the package will be like this. It comes the address and the thing, how it comes. You can see. This is my paper 5. This is my paper law, paper 6, laws and ethics, 5 and 6 which I have received it. So इन दोनों की planning बाकी है, how I'm gonna study. वैसे मैंने देख लिया था इंटरनेट में कि ऑनलाइन इस CMA पोर्टल में वो कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, क्या है. सेम्स लाइक नथिंग डिफ़िकल्ट, बट हाँ हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें मैंने पढ़ रखी हैं, कई चीज़ें in the graduation, and few things I am already aware of. And laws and ethics is it's totally a practical. इसमें सब concept आपको याद रखने पड़ते हैं, cases and the terminology which you can, if you know the concept, you can write it. They will give what I have heard from the professional teachers or all those people is if you write a content which you know also, they will give almost 60% marks for that questions. So ये दो मेरे बुक्स हैं जो अभी आए हैं. कैसे अब अगर आपके बुक्स कुछ न्यू एडिशन के आपको चाहिए, परचेस करना है, कैसे परचेस करना है, आई थिंक आई कैन गिव यू द लिंक हाउ वेयर फ्रॉम वेयर एंड हाउ यू कैन परचेस. It's again you have to go to the eicma.in, which is a CMA book portal. Just look at this website. So this is the website, I would say, and where you can purchase it. So here you have to put your registration number, then select the intermediate or whichever section you are giving for. If you want to purchase a new edition, then once you select this, you come down, scroll down this, select net banking or whichever mode, Paytm if you want. It shows both the group, it costs around 3600 if you want a new edition of that, and including, it says the clause is each packaging cost they're gonna charge 50 rupees. So it's pretty much high. Put your name, registration number, everything over it, check it out, pay it out, and you will get some invoice at the end of this portal once you pay. And you can track it off also through a speed post, how you gonna where and how many days it gonna take. So for me, it took around 2 weeks to get these books. So it's pretty fast, I would say, by seeing by knowing the speed post from our generation when we were childhood. but thinking now like the way they are now developing in their field with the technology, they are speeding up their logistics. So pretty good thing. Nothing has been damaged so far, and I have received my books very handy. So it's like seems like very new, very new. So for this video, the main purpose was for this to show like unpackaging of my books, what I have got, and how you can order through CMA portal, where exactly which link you can, and how you can pay also. So those are the things I just want to show. Till the next video, I'm coming with the CMA same chapter, which CMA for the cost accounting subject, which I am studying now, recently. So has been covered with material costing of all the questions. So LIFO, FIFO method, valuation of the LIFO, FIFO method, economic order quantity, with the books, with the illustration what cost accounting has given. So cost accounting has given in the book. So all I have solved it. I have resolved. I have read it also, and I have solved it also. Next video I will show like the books, all illustration of the books question, how it gonna be, and how. I think it's not that hard. It's very easy. One thing is you have to mark up the formulas, which you have to understand the formulas, and like minimum, maximum order level, all those things. So so next video I will be coming up with those. Till then, stay tuned. Please subscribe. If you want to know any particular question, or you want to if you have any clarification on any of the topics of cost accounting, or the direct tax, or the financial accounting paper, or laws and ethics, just do let me know in the comments. I'll come up with that your question. I'll make a video of that. So do let me know, and please comment. Please subscribe if you want to know how while studying, how we can while working, how we can crack the CMA, and how we can prepare for the CMA. Thank you.